We're using our Fast Pass now for the Kilimanjaro Safari or Kilimanjaro Safari for the safari. And the Fast Pass line is really long, just like it was during fall break week last year. Fast Pass, Fast Pass, Fast Pass. Fast Pass line's moving pretty good, he says, as he stands completely stationary. Oh wait, now we're going. Fast Pass. Fast Pass.
Fast Pass.
Fast Pass.
You want to play the Fast Pass game?
Yes.
Fast Pass.
Fast Pass.
That's not how the game works. You have to get louder and louder each time.
Fast Pass.
Fast Pass.
Oh, it's on your head? Okay.
Fast Pass. We're playing the computer.
Fast Pass.
Okay. So you don't have to do it right now. Just don't throw it.
Fast Pass.
Fast Pass.
Fast Pass. We are going across the bridge in the Fast Pass line, making pretty decent progress. We are saying Fast Pass. And we
today through the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. Now a few things as true of a zebra. Now actually, okapis are the only living relative of a giraffe. There's a couple rhinos here, one up the hill. We'll go a little further forward though to check out this one, it's a little closer. Now the black rhino gets to be around 3,000 pounds. Now it's a pretty rare sight to see though. There's less than 5,000 black rhinos left in the world. So they've been very heavily poached for their horn. Now not actually anything special about rhinos. There's the rest of them up there.
I've never seen one this cool.
Now next we're going to start making our way. It's making cool off. So the crocodile actually releases a lot of excess body. There's some really tiny antelopes through there. Those are springbok. They get that name because they like to spring up in the air. They can jump about 6 feet. Now don't laugh, he does that to impress the ladies.
But they will make themselves big
There's a honeycomb structured blood vessels in there. The blood's going to get pumped up there and that will actually help them to walk. The group of giraffe up there, group of giraffe called a tower. Get themselves up under the trees over there. You good. Group of giraffes called a tower. So the side giraffe can tell like those different shapes and size spots. They're all hanging pretty close here. We're going to pull up here a little bit because I don't want to block off the little one's path to catch up to everybody.
Oh, you're rappy, bud.
Oh, look at this.
There's one right over on the right hand side. I'm going to check down here by the water. That's a little baby elephant right there on the... Just about 2 years old.
Babies are
Yep. Up there on the island, those are the greater flamingo. They're the largest species of flamingo and also the lightest in pink color.
Yep. Flamingos are always good.
Now when flamingos hatch, they're actually gray. They get their pink coloring because of the brine shrimp that they eat. Maybe saw some ostriches back there as well. They looked like they were sitting down. I saw some. Now the cheetah is usually more active during the day. At one point, they're only about 20 tall. So they either dig up their own burrows or they do just take over any holes they see left laying around. The ostrich is tough enough that one of us could stand on it. Frogs and might get disturbed out there. But back there, that's where you're hopefully going to be able to find meerkats and zebra. There's even a spot with underwater hippo viewing. research post where you can find some naked mole rats.
There's the new version of the bird show, formerly called Flights of Wonder. Up, a great bird adventure.
Welcome to Anandapur, where adventures meet up. Absolutely every day here leads to a new adventure. Why, look now, two new friends. Let's welcome them.
You made it, boy! Thanks to our Wilderness Explorer compass, we're here! We're really here! Wait, where is here?
You're in Anandapur, India.
Wow, we're in the Nanda Panda!
Oh.
No, Nanda? We're in India!
That's right, Anandapur. So, who are you?
My name is Russell, and I am a wilderness explorer in Tribe 54, Sweat Lodge 12.
Gosh, Russell. Oh, who is your furry friend?
He's my dog. We found him in South America, and he's trained. Shriek, boy! Speak, boy!
Hi there. Hi there. My name is Doc.
Oh my, you can talk? I've never met a talking dog before.
Oh yes, I can talk. I have just met you, and I love you.
I love you too, Doug. Oh, I'm Marissa, a senior wilderness explorer from the local Chiria tribe, or Lodge. Moor means peacock in the Hindi language.
Wait a minute. It's you! We found you!
Found me. Was I lost?
If you are lost, I am a great tracker. I can find you. Oh yes, I can, because squirrel!
We know you. We read about you in our Wilderness Explorers newsletter. Caw, roar!
Caw, caw, roar!
Wonderful dog. Give yourself some forest. Now hold it.
All right, let's see if Miles is ready to show off with some fancy flying. All you have to do is hold nice and still, because Miles is quick once he starts flying. Are you ready? All the way through? That way. Here he comes!
Great. Thank you. Katie, look at this. This is perfect. We have got
And this is Molly, a yellow-named Amazon parrot. Hello!
I love these two funny parrots. They've got so close to each other that they act like sisters.
It's true. They've learned to mimic all kinds of things. Molly, yeah, like her name. And what's your name?
Gabriella!
Do you girls? Wow, that was a really good one. Just in case you didn't hear it the first time. Do you want to do some singing today? Well, that's a cat. Oh, that's a really good cat impression. Why would a bird call a cat? I don't know. Of Old MacDonald. A lot of ducks on that farm too. Yeah. Hey, do you want? Oh. Well, look at that. They called the chickens out. Nice job. Did I hear you singing in Spanish? Oh, we have to do Old MacDonald again. Thank you again, Molly. Thank you. It's pretty good. You notice Gabby only sang one line of La Cucaracha. She actually sings a different song. Do you want to see if she'll sing a different song? Yeah. Are you ready? That's Sunshine. You ready? Let's sing. You know, that song never comes out the same way twice. Yeah, it sounds like a duet. It's like Sunshine the remix. All right. Well, you know what? I guess it's about time to head on home. You've got a pretty good piece of peanut there that she's chewing on, so it's not polite to talk with your mouth full. Yeah, that's for sure. But I guess you want to just chew on that forever? I think she's going to sing Old MacDonald again if we wait too long. Do you want to call the kitty? We'll leave it with that. I like that one too.
How about Molly and Gabby? Everyone say bye to Molly and Gabby. Oh, they sure are big birds.
Oh, 1 in a million. I think you'd have a really hard time finding 2 parrots that have learned how to mimic quite as well. Eagle. Thank you, everyone. Meet Hope.
A bald birdie?
Well, the bald eagles aren't actually bald.
I think bald eagles are absolutely majestic.
So inspiring too. You know, not long ago, the bald eagles, they were on the endangered species list. Yeah, but then through conservation efforts, all of us played a part in helping the species to recover. So now I'm so happy to say that today the bald eagle is no longer an endangered species.
Wow, we can really make a difference.
Yeah, that's right, Russell. You know, just by making a conscious effort to help protect the planet and all of the beautiful creatures that live here, yeah, we really can make a big difference.
Thank you, Hope.
What a beautiful birdie! A very, very beautiful birdie.
Wow, this has been a great bird adventure.
It's tough to be bug fast pass with the longer line of the 2 sides. That's how that goes. This fast pass may or may not be valuable. I'm leaning towards may not, but the show's good. Say hi, Heather.
Hi.
Say hi, Casey.
Hi.
Say hi, Lacey.
Hey.
Say hi, Phil.